Dogi.
Dogi.
You have to take off your shirt.
Do, tapos G. G yung uniform mo? G yung uniform do?
これは袴。
Do.
これは日本のスタイル。
Here, at the back, you want?
Oo, susuot pa siya.
これは日本のスタイルの袴。これ韓国にもあるんですけど、韓国は割れてない1個なんですよ。スカート。
So this is a Japanese style hakama. Kasi meron ka Korean hakama. But yeah, terms like hakama, I think they have been,
見てます。
there is no in Japanese, rather English translation. So hakama is also hakama in English. Just like kendo, aikido, you don't have an English translation.
じゃあこのね、この板が欲しいます。まずは
So this is how it is worn.
Hindi, pwede na yan. Malaki naman eh. Tapos tuloy na lang.
このね、上だとダメです。下の後ろがダメです。
Ano, left over right? Right over left?
お腹の少し下ですか？
そうお腹のちょっと
お
下ですね。
腹の。So it's just a little bit lower, not too high, but not also too low. Maybe
Low waist? Low waist?
lower abdomen.
Ano, kalimutan ko na yung paano yun. Twice.
Please carry around for the photo. Excuse me.
Oh.
あ、いつなの？
Quezon natin.
Oy.